He can't eat it, guys. He took one bite and he just done.
Oh.
Hey, he ate a bite.
Yeah, but the deal was he'd eat one pepper and then eat another one. You ever see anything that hot? Huh?
Go.
Huh? Tell him on the radio. He's eating bread now, guys. He just pulled the plug out and ate the end of bread. He didn't even eat any pepper yet. So tell him how it feels. He's wiping his eyes. Don't wipe your eyes with your hands. You better wash your hands first.
Oh, I like this side.
He's crying. You guys was right. He's sweating like mad. You want me to call a rescue squad?
No.
Huh?
No.
Your son-in-law is such a bad boy. He can't even talk, man. He's eating bread like it was going on. He just took one little bite.